Welcome to Spread Hunter Daily Safari. Today is Wednesday, June 27th. The market hasn't done very much for the last 5 to 8 trading days leading up to this Monday. The market closed, the SPYs closed at 275 on Friday, and on Monday morning they got absolutely clocked. The Dow was down over 400 points at one time. The S&Ps were down 35, maybe even 40 handles before cratering late in the morning and then starting to rebound. Closed down 300 for the day, but rolled around Tuesday and the pressure was off to the downside, and the SPYs just started to rally. They rallied all the way from this number here, 269.5, up to 272.50, which would have been about this number right here. There's not, there were not a lot you could do except close your eyes and buy on Monday morning. If you didn't do that, what you saw was the market opening up to 272 on Tuesday. Closing at 272, yes, Tuesday. And then Wednesday, today, coming in again and rallying up to 273.5, I want to say. 273.86 was the high today, which would have been right here. But the reason I'm pointing this all out to you is because there was an expiration today. We have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday expirations. This is Wednesday, 6/27 expiration. The 69.5 puts, which closed at 6 cents, were more than likely trading close to these price, 1, 2, 3 cents. And the 70 puts, which were 3.5 points out of the money, couldn't have been much more than about 5 to 10 cents. And you can see right here where everything closed. The 70.5 puts closed at $1.20. I don't know what you could have got them for, but it would not have been very much. The 70 puts probably were well under a dime, and the 69 puts only went to 6 cents, 69.5 puts, but, they had to be 1, 2 cents. So you can see what the leverage is on these expiration plays, especially when the market is as fickle as it is right now. And another fickle stock has been Facebook, which has had some big moves. It was trading up as high as 202 on Friday and traded down to about 193 on Monday with the big sell-off. The stock was down $6.50, maybe $7. I was down well over 2%, maybe 3% for the day. And there were some really big sellers. And I was not an advocate of buying calls in there, but I was interested in selling puts. And some of the puts, which I don't have on the screen here, were trading in the sky. And subsequent to that down move, the stock rallied from under 95 to over 200 today, and subsequently sold off today to 95. But that's about a 10-point move. So while they don't have Wednesday expirations, you have the Friday options here, and you can see for the price of these Friday options, some of these options here, like the 7.5s, were trading at least 15 cents, maybe over 20 cents at one point today. And they closed at 7. If this stock doesn't open up tomorrow, they're just going to crush them because you'll be one day closer to expiration. And this is the kind of moves that we're seeing repeatedly. Spread Hunter customers are buying and selling in this environment, and I would encourage you to get in the game. Give us a call. Our number's on the website, spreadhunter.com, and we'll start from there. So good luck and good trading.